welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment update from 3 different companies. The first one is Wipro. The second one is Shell, which is one of the biggest oil and gas producers of the world, whose headquarters is in Netherlands. They are hiring for Bengaluru location. And the third one is a recruitment update from Amazon. So if you're interested in any of this update, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first recruitment updates, that is, there is 2 recruitment updates from Wipro. So the first one is for graduate engineer trainee. Okay, so here they are actually looking for graduates, and the requirements they're asking is experience is 0 to 1 years, and the educational backgrounds which they are calling for are BCA, BSc IT, BSc CS, BTech of any branch, and MCA graduates. Okay, so this is actually open for all the BTech candidates, MCA candidates, BSc and BCA graduates. Okay, so if you are from any of these branches, you can definitely try for this. Okay, so they have actually mentioned as the year of experience is 0 to 1 year. So all the freshers and also final years are eligible to apply here. Okay. Also, other than that, they have actually mentioned the other details as you should be working with the company for at least 1 year. You should be familiar with testing concepts. So this is actually a recruitment happening for testing or tester post. So you should be knowing at least basics. Okay. So the things which you have studied in your curriculum, that is the only requirement. Okay. Because freshers with 0 to 1 year of experience, they are calling. Okay. And you should be having communication skills, troubleshooting skills, focused, ability to learn. That is the only requirement. Okay. So this is a recruitment happening for graduate engineer trainee. The location is Noida. Currently, you can try for work from home. Later on, you have to relocate to the Noida location. Okay. So this is the first recruitment from Wipro. Second one, we are going to see about work integrated learning program of Wipro. So this is actually a program conducted by Wipro on an yearly basis. On every year, they actually call for some set of people. They offer job to this set of people, and also along with that, they provide you the facility to learn also. Okay, so you'll get a learning plus working facility. This is the work integrated learning program. So if you have not yet heard about this thing, so this is a very interesting program which is conducted by Wipro. So this is work integrated learning program, and this is for people with BCA qualification or BSc qualification with the given branches: computer science, IT, maths, statistics, electronics, and physics. So if you are having either BCA or BSc qualification, then you are eligible to apply here. Okay, 10th pass, 12th pass. So there is no percentage criteria for 10th and 12th. Graduation 60% or 6.0. CGPA is applicable. Okay, other than that, if you are having below 60%, then you don't need to apply. Okay, because that is your criteria. Year of passing is 2020 and 2021. So all the final years are eligible to apply, and also freshers. Okay, so freshers and final years of BCA and BSc streams are eligible to apply for this work integrated learning program. So what is going to happen here is you are going to do an MTech degree. You are going to pursue MTech degree along with your work. So you'll get work experience. Along with that, you can pursue MTech degree in the, all the expenses will be taken by Wipro. And along with that, you will get a stipend also. Since you're working in the company, you will get a stipend. On the first year, you'll be getting 15,000. Second year, it is 17,000. Third year, it is 19,000. Then fourth year, it is 23,000. Along with that, you can continue your studies or pursue your studies also. Okay, so this is actually a very good venture by Wipro in my opinion, because you will get a learning opportunity and also a working opportunity. So please make use of it if you are interested in studying further, and also if you are interested in getting some work experience. Okay, so this is actually a wonderful opportunity. Please make use of it. The next company update we are going to see is from Shell. As I've told you in the beginning itself, it is one of the biggest oil and gas producers all around the world, and their headquarters is in Netherlands also. So they are hiring for graduates, any graduate, which can be from any stream, BTech or BSc or BB or BCom, whatever graduation you have done, you are eligible to apply here. And the location is going to be Bangalore. Okay, here you can see the date of posting also. It is very recent update. Okay, now let's see who all are eligible to apply. See, what are we looking for? So they are looking for ambitious graduates to help us tackle the energy challenge. you must be in the final year of your graduation, or you have graduated from the recognized university with less than 3 years of work experience. Means if you are having work experience, also you can apply. If you are not having work experience, you are clearly eligible to apply. But if you are having more than 3 years of experience, please don't apply here, okay? Because they are looking for fresh people, or they are looking for entry level graduates. They are not looking for experienced persons with more than 3 years of experience. If you are having less than 3 years of experience, you are eligible to apply. But other than that, if you are having 3+ years of experience, please don't apply here, okay? And also there is no specific academic requirements or anything, okay? So only thing is that you need to be a person who is studying in the final year of your graduation, or you should have studied, means completed your graduation, and you are a fresher, okay? So this is the requirement. All the streams of graduation are eligible to apply here. You shouldn't have 3+ years of experience. That is the only requirement, okay? So if you are interested, you can definitely try for this job. Here you need to click on this icon which is called apply. First you have to create an account with Shell. I hope you have heard of the company. It is a very big company to start your career with, especially if you are a fresher, okay? And you can apply, okay? Then the next recruitment update we are going to see is from Amazon. Nowadays Amazon is conducting a lot of recruitments, or they are hiring a lot of people. So here they are hiring or they are looking for a testing associate, and the location is Tamil Nadu is the location. Now let us see what is the eligibility criteria. Basic qualification is B.Tech from any stream, MSc IT and MCA. So if you are a person who is having B.Tech qualification, that can be from any stream. Also they have not mentioned any year of pass out. All the freshers of B.Tech that is who is having B.Tech qualification with good communication skills, some testing knowledge and good analytical skills. They have not asked for any experience as such. So all the freshers are eligible to apply, okay? Again, in order to apply, just click on this apply now icon, and you can first create an account with Amazon Jobs. In the job portal of Amazon, you have to create an account, and then you have to start applying. That is the application process, okay? So these are the 3 companies update which I have actually shared with you in today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. I'm trying to bring up maximum recruitment updates, the latest ones is possible by me, okay? So if you're finding these content useful, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. Keep supporting and keep on watching.